In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the profile picture on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, if you have the Skype application already downloaded on your PC, that will be great, so just go and open it up. But if you don't, you will need to go and open whatever browser you are currently working with in your PC. Go and open it up, and once it's opened, go to the URL section and type download Skype application, hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. And of course, that will be pretty simple, those steps, because you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before, so it will be the same steps of downloading any other application. Once you did that, and once you open the application, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, go log in into it, but if you don't, you'll need to go and create one from an option there. Once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with the home screen or with the main screen, with the welcome sentence with your name or your username. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to change the profile picture on the Skype application. So of course, if you want to do that, and from here you'd like to click at the top left corner your profile picture, click on it, and here you'd like to click at the Skype profile. As you can see here, that will take you into this window. And of course, if you want to change the profile picture, simply just go here and click at your icon right here. And as you can see, we have here update profile picture. If you hover this picture, just go and click on that. And as you can see, this will open the folders on your PC. So you can just go here and search for the picture that you want to make. So for me, let me just put this. And as you can see, this is my profile picture now. I don't need to save or anything. If I just click on X, that will be my profile picture now, and it will be updated. You can change it whenever you want with the same stuff. You can just go here and click at Skype profile, or you can even just go here and click at this pin icon and go and do the same steps. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.